Hello everyone, welcome to Ambus Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate about the innovative real-time project. The title is Development of Fire Alarm System using Raspberry Pi, B+, and Ardino Uno. This project aim is it automatically detect the fires in the homes or any industries, and it will immediately send the captured image to predefined email ID, and also as well as it is sending SMS to predefined numbers, so that we will provide more security for industries and homes as well as. Let me demonstrate this project. First of all, this project uses Raspberry Pi B+. This B+ module is connected to internet using RJ45 cable, and this cable is connected to RS router, so that this captured image is sending to internet, so that we will get that image directly to our predefined email. So this is my predefined email ID. So this is root is nothing but this is predefined email address. This is my host address, and this GSM SIM 900 model is using for sending the SMS to the user mobile directly. Fire station. This is Ardino Uno model for reading the temperature value. So if the fire occurs, this LM35 sensor, it detect the fire predefinedly, and it will automatically gives the signal to the Raspberry Pi, and so that Raspberry Pi capture the image using this web camera, and this image is sending to email using internet, so that I will get message like this. Let me demonstrate this project. See, I am going to increase my temperature. See here, the red light is detecting the fire, and the image is captured. I am getting email here. Here I am getting message. See, so and so number fire detected. Here as well as I am getting email also. It is browsing. Let me wait. See here, I am getting new message, the root. I am opening. Here I am getting image like this. So once again I am going to demonstrate. See, I am putting my ambushed image. See here, this camera is capturing like this. Here we are getting light, so it is captured that image. It is sending to predefined message. Here fire is detected, and also I am refreshing my email. See here, I am getting new mail. So here I am getting my ambushed picture. See, this project is very useful for real-time industries and homes. Thank you for watching demo.